In this video, I'll show you how to add a QR code in LibreOffice Draw quickly and easily so you can place a scannable code right inside your design, flyer, poster, or document. QR codes are a simple way to share a website, a contact page, a document link, or any text you want people to access instantly with their phone. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more useful software tips and step-by-step guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're starting from scratch, look on the left side under Create and click Draw Drawing. If you already have a draw file open, you can use that as well. This works great whether you're making a new layout or editing an existing one. Once you're inside LibreOffice Draw, you're ready to insert your QR code. Next, go up to the top menu and click Insert. This menu contains the options for adding different kinds of objects to your page, and the QR code feature is hidden inside one of those advanced insert tools. After clicking Insert, choose OLE Object. OLE stands for Object Linking and Embedding, and this is the area where LibreOffice lets you place special object types into your document. From the OLE Object options, click QR and Barcode. This is the feature that allows you to generate a QR code directly inside LibreOffice Draw without needing any external website or extra software. A small setup window will appear, and this is where you enter the information you want the QR code to contain. Now type in the website link, text, or other content you want to encode. For example, you can paste your YouTube channel link, your business website, a download page, or even a short message. Make sure the information is correct before moving on, because whatever you enter here is what people will get when they scan the code. If the link is wrong, the QR code will still work, but it will point to the wrong place. After that, choose QR code as the type. This is an important step because LibreOffice may support different barcode formats, and you want to make sure the correct one is selected. QR code is the standard square code that most phones can scan instantly. Once QR code is selected, double-check your input one more time so everything is accurate. When you're ready, click OK. LibreOffice Draw will generate the QR code and insert it directly onto your page. From there, you can click and drag it to reposition it wherever you want. You can also resize it if needed so it fits neatly into your design. If you're placing it on a flyer or poster, try leaving enough white space around it so it stays easy to scan. You can now continue designing your document around the QR code. Add your text, images, branding, or any other elements you want. This makes it easy to create professional-looking materials that let people scan and open your content in seconds. Whether you're making marketing materials, event handouts, business cards, or classroom resources, this feature can save a lot of time. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a QR code in LibreOffice Draw. It only takes a few clicks, and once you know where the option is, the process becomes very fast. If this guide helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.